Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your voice or anyone else's voice on Capcut PC. So first of all, you want to import your project. After that, my video here has audio on the video itself, and I don't have to import the audio separately. So what we first of all need to do is extract the audio. So you're going to click on the right click of your mouse and you're going to click extract audio, like so. Now, when the audio is extracted, now you want to click on voice changer, right here. And now you can actually have all of those voice filters. So there's like energetic, sweetie, deep, high. And basically you can change your voice pitch. And for example, let's choose electronic. As you can see, you can change the strength of it and see what you like. And yeah, this is how you do this. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.